right and wrong. Once upon a time, there were two peasants, Ivan and Norm. Together, they decided to go to another village and look for work. They kept traveling and finally came to a well off village. They were hired by different masters. After working for a week, they met on Sunday. "My dear friend, how much have you earned?" asked Ivan. "The Lord has given me 5 rubles," replied Norm. Ivan laughed and said, "The Lord, He won't give you even a farthing. You have to earn it for yourself." "No, you are wrong, dear friend. Without the Lord's help, you cannot do anything, not even earn a farthing," said Norm. They began to argue and finally took the decision. "We will both walk along the road. The first person we meet, we will ask him who is right. The one who loses will have to give all the money he has earned to the other one." So they went off. Norm loses his arm. After walking a few steps, they met an evil spirit in human guise. They asked him whether people earn for themselves or the Lord gives them. He replied, "What you earn yourself. It's not good to rely on the Lord." So Norm gave all his money to Ivan and went back to his master empty-handed. Another week passed. The next Sunday, Ivan and Norm met again. They argued over the same topic. Norm said, "Though you took all my money last week, the Lord has given me more." "Well," said Ivan, "if you still think that the Lord gave the money to you, let's ask the first person we meet again who is right. The one who is wrong will have to hand over all his money and lose his right arm." Norm agreed. They walked along the road and met the evil spirit again. He gave the same answer. Ivan took Norm's money, cut off his right arm, and went away. The evil spirits. Norm was sad and wondered what he would do now without an arm. How would he earn? But still, he believed that the Lord is merciful. He went to the river and lay down on the bank under a boat. Norm decided to spend the night there and then make up his mind in the morning what he would do. At midnight, numerous evil spirits assembled in the boat. They all began to demonstrate the naughtiness they had done. One of the evil spirits said, "I gave false judgment in an argument between two men, and the man who was right lost his arm." To this another evil spirit replied, "He needs to roll in the dew 3 times and his arm will grow again." "I cast the evil eye on a rich man's daughter and she is almost wasted away," boasted a third. "Listen to that," taunted a fourth. "Anyone who feels sorry for that rich man can easily cure his daughter. Just get hold of such and such plant, boil it up and bathe her in the water. She will be absolutely fit." Norm becomes rich. Norm had overheard this conversation, so the next day he made his right arm grow again and also cured the rich man's daughter. The rich man gave him a lot of money and he began to prosper. One day he met Ivan. He was surprised to see Norm and asked him how he had made his money and got his right arm back. Norm kept no secret and told him everything about the evil spirits. Ivan listened carefully and thought, "Why don't I do the same and become rich?" So he went to the river and lay down on the bank under the boat. Like before, at midnight the evil spirits assembled. "Someone must be eavesdropping, brothers," said one of them. "That man's arm has grown again and the rich man's daughter is cured." They at once rushed to look under the boat, found Ivan and minced him.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, Subscribe to Sahil Book House.